On your feet, convict. On your feet. I've got a federal court order to let you out of the hole. Of course, I could ask for a stay during the appeal. You know the court would go for that.
I can last 9 more months for an appeal. I can stand on my head 9 months.
I would rack this door and kick your brains in.
Fuck you! You wouldn't do it alone.
I don't dirty my hands on scum like you. I'm gonna let you out in the yard. And I hope you make a move so I can stop your clock. That's a promise.
Yeah, promise. You promised to keep me in this hole the rest of my life.
I kept you in here for 3 years. That's long enough for me, kid.
Whatever doesn't kill me makes me stronger.
We'll see. Please, try again. And I'll send you out of here in plastic.
You do what you have to do, and I'll do what I have to do. Whatever happens, happens.
Call the machine shop. Bring him to the yard.